It's time for another tip and trick with the Honda Fit. This one's all about HondaLink Assist. Let me explain what it does. HondaLink Assist will actually use your cell phone and call emergency services in case of an emergency. Setting it up is simple. You simply set up your Bluetooth device for the first time, add Bluetooth device, make sure it's discoverable on your phone. The car will automatically send a code to your phone. You accept that code and pair, and then it'll ask you if you want to set up HondaLink Assist. You have a choice of turning it on now or turning it on later. I'm going to simply turn it on now.
Would you like to turn on HondaLink Assist?
Yes, I would.
In the event that a crash?
And that's all you have to do. It's just that easy, and you only have to do it once.